Well, hey guys, I just bought me an Insignia Fire Edition 24-inch LED TV, 1080p. Ordered this off of Amazon. I give about $130 for it. I caught it on sale. I'm going to put all the details about this TV in the description, but what I want to do today is I just want to unbox it, set it up, and just show you what this thing looks like. I figure I'm going to put this on a countertop, but if you ever need to travel with it, you know, if you got a camper or whatever, I think this little size might be the perfect size. So, hey, let's take it out of the box, see what's in the box, and we'll hook it up. Yeah, there's a little deal. Says this TV is fragile. Yeah, looks like the remote control. There's the legs. Little manual. I guess that's the child safety manual. There's the full owner's manual. Look like the screws for the legs, and got a couple of AAA batteries for the remote control. You'll hang around. I'm also going to measure this just to give you the full dimensions of it, so you'll kind of know. So let me put the legs on it right quick. All right, to put the legs on, you just line your leg up with the holes in the bottom, and it's got 4 screws, and you'll need a Phillips screwdriver for this. If you have any problem with anything, it comes with a quick setup guide that pretty much explains everything. Alright, really nothing to that, just 4 screws and a Phillips screwdriver, and legs right on. Let me measure this right quick and I'll give you the measurements. Alright, looks like it's 21.5 inches wide, and the screen is about 12.5 inches high, and if you go all the way down to the table with the legs on it, it's going to be 14.5. And if you to the outside of the legs is about 21.75. Let's turn this around, see what it looks like on the back. There's your plug in. There's for your cable. Looks like we got 3 HDMI plugs and a USB plug. Then there's some other ones, I guess, for audio adapters and stuff. Alright, next thing we need to do is put the batteries in the remote. So you just take and slide this back off, and both batteries, like they both positive, go up. So slide them in right quick. Amazing that batteries actually came with it. And there's some plastic on it I'll pull off. There's some plastic on that TV. We'll get it off here in a minute too. Well, about all that's left to do is let's plug this thing in and see how it looks. Alright, I'm going to push the power button. Like it's loading up. All right, we're just going to go through. We're English, United States. I guess you got to agree to all the conditions, so we'll continue. Pick your Wi-Fi. Then you put in your password. Alright, looks like it's got to do some updates. It says downloading the latest software. We'll see how long this takes. Alright, I sped up a little bit, but I would say them downloads probably took less than 2 minutes. Says now TV's going to restart, so it's going to turn it off and turn it back on. I would assume. We're going to find out. Yep, I was right. See what comes up. Looks like we got another update. Please do not unplug the power cable during the update. Well, you can have full or basic. It says full is recommended, so we'll just, there's basic. Let's go to full. Guess this is to set it up. So, all right, if you got an Amazon account, you can sign in, which I've got one. If you don't, you can create an account. So I'm going to sign in to my Amazon account. All right, I guess I got to go on my computer, and you sign in at amazon.com/code and enter this activation code, so I'll be right back. Alright, as soon as I put that code in, it says it's successfully registered. Well, alright, there's home. Now, I cut through a lot of that, some of them updates and all that. I didn't make you watch all that, but I would say from the time I took it out of the box, put the legs on, and got it set up was probably somewhere 10 to 15 minutes. So hey, now you can just go down, find what you want. Of course, if you want to, there's Netflix. If you got a Netflix account, you can log into that, Prime Video, YouTube. You can log into whatever you want. And this remote, it reminds me a whole lot, and I guess it probably is one of them Amazon Fire Stick remotes, because it's got the power button, and there's the Alexa button you push to talk, and it's got some presets down here: Netflix, Hulu, Disney, and Amazon. So, but hey, it's got the up and down volume channels. So hey, let me see if I can find something right quick. I'll just pull up YouTube. If you want to sign in, you can, but you just find whatever video you want. Or if you want to go back to home, you just hit this button right here. It's got the little home on it. And it takes you right back to the home. And again, like I say, you can find, there's live. There's all your apps. But hey, it looks like this TV is going to be pretty good. I know it's not 4K, I know it's 1080p, but hey, if you're just wanting it, set in a shelf in a room where space is a problem, or if you want to carry it out in your camper, take it with you, for the size, I think the quality is going to be perfectly good. But hey, if you're interested in just a small TV, now they make this in several different sizes. This is just the smallest one, but hey, this is the Insignia 24-inch LED 1080p Fire Edition TV. Hopefully this little demonstration helped you out. If it did, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.